What is the AbleNet Blue 2? The AbleNet Blue 2 is a wireless switch interface. A switch interface allows a switch user to utilize their switches on devices such as computers, tablets, and phones with compatible software. Today's video will explain how to use the AbleNet Blue 2 on a computer and use the switch interface to play a variety of games or watch videos. Step 1. Connecting the Blue 2 switch interface to a computer. The Blue 2 interface comes with a cable to both charge the device and connect it to the computer. Ensure the device has been sufficiently charged before beginning. On your Windows PC, navigate to the Settings app. Select Bluetooth and Devices. Turn the Bluetooth switch on. Click the Add Device button and then Bluetooth. Next, we will turn on the Bluetooth switch interface. Locate the power switch on the back and flip it to on. The indicator light on the front of the interface will start flashing blue. If it doesn't start flashing automatically, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the top of the interface to activate pairing mode. After a moment, your computer should recognize the interface. Click the button that says Bluetooth FT to connect. When the connection is successful, the light on your Bluetooth will remain solid for 3 seconds, then disappear. Step 2. Adjusting the settings on the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth has 2 built-in touch-sensitive buttons which can be used to control the device. The user can also connect up to 2 of their own adaptive switches using the S1 and S2 ports on the top of the switch interface. Connecting switches to the S1 port controls the blue button, and the S2 port controls the yellow button. The Bluetooth also has many features for users to adapt the interface to meet their needs. These can be activated using the 3 switches on the back of the device. Keyboard Command Mode Switch. The Keyboard Command Mode switch allows you to change which computer keys, either that the built-in Bluetooth buttons or the connected adaptive switches, will be controlling. The Bluetooth has options to control the spacebar, the Enter key, and number keys 1, 2, 3, or 4 on your connected computer. Begin by flipping the Keyboard Command Mode switch on the back of the device to on. To assign keys to the Bluetooth buttons or your connected switch, tap the switch you wish to command repeatedly until the corresponding key is lit up. Here I will assign the yellow switch, or S2, to control the spacebar. Once the key has been assigned to the switch, turn off the keyboard command mode, and the switch should be ready to use. Visual feedback switch. The visual feedback switch causes the buttons to light up when tapped, making them easier to see. Auditory feedback switch. The auditory feedback switch plays a beeping sound whenever a button is activated. Keyboard button. With compatible devices, the keyboard button on the top of the Bluetooth can be used to hide or unhide the on-screen keyboard. Step 3. Using the Bluetooth. There are many online resources that can be used for fun and learning with the Bluetooth switch interface.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, planets, here we come. Come on, let's go find those planets.
Continue.
Mercury. Listen carefully.
Go.
It's a chicken.
Sheldon's snail sunbathing session. Summertime is here again. Hello sunshine, goodbye rain. On a day that made the thermometer.